So within the system, you can store all your assets. So here you can filter these via conditions, via categories. But for this, if I open up here, we've got a van. You've got the different information that you want to store. So when I come in to edit this van, we've got different categories of things here. Here you've got your extra fields. So whatever you want to store in that, your registration number, your mileage, your chassis number, whatever you want to store, you can store that here and create these fields. So if you want something else, you can just add them in. Here you've got your attributes. So it could be MOTs, service. It could also be a pat test, whatever it is you need. When it was last completed, what's the interval, and how many days before do you want a reminder? These, when that time comes up, will pop up on your screen. But additionally, in the settings, you can go through to your attributes and it will show you everything that's coming up this month, next month, etc. So you can see all of those fields will store here and here, all the extra fields you add. Additionally, with the assets, you've got your documents. So for compliancy, you need to have your vehicle checks. So here we've built different forms on the system that can be used. So you've got your vehicle check, whether seat belts work, horns working, brakes work, etc. So this follows your compliancy. You add this and you can put these onto a schedule. So if you need to do this weekly, you can schedule this document weekly. So once this is filled out in a week's time, it will load another one and you'll always have this stored. And this way you've got all your assets in one place where you can see what's coming up, what's going on, what you need for each one.